What happened with Bitcoin today? Why did it pump and what's going on? So let's just take a look at the Bitcoin chart. We can see here that we are currently at the level that we were at the end of October of 2022. And then we had this huge crash and we sat around in the 16,000 to 17,000 level for quite a bit, a few months. And now we have this big pump. And I just wanted to warn you guys not to FOMO into this. This kind of stuff happens all the time. We can see if we look back in the bear market here, there are many instances where we've had pumps like this before. And let's see how much we've gone. So we've gone up about 30%. This is nothing new. You can see here we've got 50%. Here we've got 40, around 47, 50% rally. Here we've got a 28, 25% rally. Here, 37% rally. These rallies happen all the time in bear markets. They're not just going to go straight down. If we were going straight down, it would be easy. My suspicion is lots of people closing their shorts down here. And once you close a short, it means that you have to buy back your position. So I'm assuming lots of people were shorting all the way down here and around in this area here. And once it crashed, closing their shorts down here, closing their positions, we see a pump. But I do think that we have more downside to see. I made a short earlier this week and I talked about how we are going to see a rally in 2023 or 2024. It will come. It'll be similar to this rally here that happened in 2019 in the bear market. We saw a nice rally. We went up about 300%. So we could see something like this. I don't think it'll be this much. We might be taken up to around 40K, 35K, and then come back down like here, or just stay in that area. But we do have a lot of work to do. Remember, we're still in a bear market. We're still in a macro bear market in the stock market as well. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 here. You can see we are making a high, but we're not making a higher high as of yet. We're still increasing our interest rates. The Fed's still increasing interest rates. Money's going to be a lot harder to borrow. I do think that we're going to come down here. We might come up, make a double top, and then come down, but we are coming down. I'm going to make a new low. This low here will be taken out eventually. So once the stock market goes down, that does not mean that Bitcoin's going to outperform it. Yeah, so that does not mean Bitcoin's going to perform it. We did have a pretty big volume spike here, but just don't FOMO in. Don't be buying up here because we're slowly going to make our way back down. We could see a rally here up higher, but I don't think it'll be sustained. We're just going to come up and maybe come down something like this. Now let's just take a look at the Bitcoin dominance here. So we're still playing around down here in the kind of 42, 43% range. I do see this coming up as we further progress through the bear market. We could see it up to highs of 50%. I don't think it'll go up to what it was before. I really don't think it'll go up to 73 to like 70 to 65%. It's just now that there's stable coins in the mix and there's things like Ethereum. Ethereum's really gaining strength. I don't think that these altcoins are going to give up a lot of their ground here. I do think that they're going to be outperformed by Bitcoin. Don't get me wrong. Let's look at the Ethereum Bitcoin. I am bearish on this. I do think it'll come down a little bit. However, in the bull market, we'll see it back up here again, maybe even higher, depending on how Ethereum performs. I mean, there's always risks with investing into altcoins, which I outlined in a previous video, and I'll make plenty more videos. The purpose of altcoins is to get money in and out fast. We're not holding on to them. I mean, Ethereum is an exception. I do keep some of my portfolio in Ethereum. However, I mainly focus on Bitcoin and the stock market right now, just in the broad economy, just seeing what's going on. Our interest rates going up. Yes, they are going up, so we need to be careful. I'm sold off some of my stock recently. We'll go back to the stock market. I sold yesterday right up here because I do think that we're going to make another low. I didn't sell all of it, obviously, because it could go up, but we're still raising interest rates. February 1st, we're going to see another increase, and the Fed is going to pause interest rates at those high levels, and I quote, for a long time. They want to pause for quite a long time because they want the inflation to go down to the 2% level. They're not going to make the same mistake that they made in the past where they went up to these high interest rates and they didn't take enough time up there. They prematurely lowered the rate. They loosened their policy. And what happened? More inflation came, and it was not good. It was a mistake. So I think they've learned from their mistake. They did say that we're not going to make the same mistake. So I do think that the economy is going to take a hit. So I'm not giving any financial advice. Don't sell just because I did. That's just my intuition. That's my opinion. Same with Bitcoin. If it does go higher, I plan on trimming off a little bit of my position and just waiting for it to go back down so I can accumulate more. However, I do think that we're going to see something like this. Here, I'll take a bars pattern here. Like, we could see something like that play out. But I know, you never know. All you know is, you know the fundamentals. You know we're in a bear market. We're entering into a recession. We've got interest rates going up. All these things, they lead to lower prices for risk assets. I mean, it is what it is. We just need to wait it out. We're going to invest, we're going to buy low, and we're going to sell high. And with altcoins, we're going to get in early. We're going to get in as it's going up. We're not going to wait. We're not going to hold on to these coins. We're just going to get in and out fast, get our money, and that's it. We're going to sell high. So thank you for watching the video. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer them in the future. Thanks for watching.